Hi guys! Well, we want to Bohol to celebrate my father's birthday. And in this getaway, we do the usual touristy activities, the things that you usually do in Bohol. And we also visited some relatives because, as you know, we also have relatives in Bohol. So this is the view of the beautiful Bohol with its turquoise waters and verdant forest. It's such a beautiful sight that even when we haven't landed yet, you really want to, you know, enjoy the beauty of God's creation. Hi, this is Egret. Join me as I hop on to different adventures each day. So I checked in at Pug's Lounge at Davao International Airport prior to departure. I only had a few minutes left, and then when I arrived in Bohol, I checked in at Henan, Henan Tawala in Alona. So this is the view there of their swimming pool. It actually welcomes you after going or passing through the lobby, and then from our room, you could see also the swimming pool. It has a pool view. So our room has two beds, one single bed and one double bed. It's good for three persons. And they also have a mini ref with cups and glasses. So it's a beautiful room. It's a quaint room. And it's quite spacious. I love the view of the pool, especially when you're dining inside the room and then you can see the pool in the balcony. It's really nice. And I got this for a deal because we went there when it was off season, so everything was a bit uh, cheaper compared to the usual rate that you get when you stay here during peak season. Shadang! Room tour of Henan Tawala. This is their toilet and bath. That's their toilet. And these are their toiletries. And this is the shower. So we have umbrellas and slippers over there. Mirror. They have this mini refrigerator. They have one single bed and one double bed. So this is actually good for three people. We have this the vanity mirror, vanity mirror. We have here a tea set, coffee table, and voila! It's the swimming pool over there. We have a veranda here. After having our fill at Henantawala, we then went to Stellar Panglao where our dad and brother are staying since we are actually availing our holiday entitlement since we are AVLCI members. So this is their hallway, which is actually beautiful and vibrant with all those mural paintings. And the room is actually huge with two queen beds, and it's quite modern, equipped with LED TV and microwave oven. The toilet and bath is also modern and huge compared to Henantawala, which is a bit older. And Then we went to Jerry's Grill to have our dinner for our first day in Bohol. So we had various Filipino dishes and we really had a great time. So while we were having our dinner, there were also some shows outside the restaurant. There were fire dancers giving off some fiery shows. And as you can see, we really enjoyed the vibe of this restaurant. It's one of our favorite restaurants in Bohol, Jerry's Grill. Walking tour with Heidi.
We're going the war.
I will be waiting while you're coming home.
Ako na siguro may, dili na siguro may stay guard. Diba Alona, mali di ba?
Oh, Alona. Asa mo stay ato sa una? Babe.
And if you wanted to, I can never be free. I'll never believe it was true. But that
Taladeng. Katadapit ah. Hena naman sa unahan. Kasi gani ng kon.
Dili give me ato na area do ako ba?
Oh. Pero na. Oh, pwede na po day oh. Pwede na po day. Ako magpakuan ka. Sa
Diri ang ano.
Just the way you are. Hi, Ding. Hi. Advance happy birthday. You're amazing. I'm amazing. Just the way I am. You are. Sige, Ding. Lakaw dito, Ding. Ikaw akong artista. Hinay-hinay lang, madam, ha? Ang pa ilaing pool diri, oh, pero gisarado.
Doon naman kayo. Dilat siya mga taga-diri. Kay Alona Beach man going to Alona Beach.
Hi. Open sesame. Sarado na ang pool. Natulog na mga people.
Si Bubay.
226. 226. Choo. Choo choo. Choo choo. Probably. Probably it's happened to me right in front. Sa street naman din sa kilid, oh. Woohoo! Okay, pancake. Chicken. Spanish. What's that? Ay, yun na. Chicken crunch. Burn. Isa. Red. Mango soup. Right. Ali ding. Video ko lang man. Cute.
Diri ka rin man.
Ara.
Para wala masalikod na ng dahon.
Ito. Thank you. Saan ba yun? Ayan. Thank you. Ka-cute. Cute kayo siya. Di siya kita kung daytime.
Oo. Ay, itong nila kanigamay.
Ah.
Ngayon, ito mo gabi, mo black tanan.
Cute kayo.
Kaya mangulo. Ako pagulo nito.
Kung ako i-enlarge ang tarsier, mawala mo na wong.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
Naklaro na. Masya ka itong my precious. Lahi po da ito. Nagbulangkad siya din na ang tubig na gagawas. Dire ka pa picture ding. Kay klaro kay Tarshi. Hi. Hello.
Hello, baby.
May dalaw na.
Oh, palito nato na.
Ito ka magpa-video call.
Oh, syempre.
Sige.
Press mo na. Look, there's a big tarsier. Yes, that's the big tarsier over here. Okay, and this is the live gorilla. The live gorilla is wandering in the forest. Now we're going to, yes, butterfly sanctuary this way. Phyton glider, what's this? Ah. Sana. I-improve na yun nila ang area, not like before.
Oh, kanding.
Kani mo anak pa dako-dako na niya.
Tugurilya gid kari.
Ikaw kay kuan ka, nahimo na kag ano.
Naapil mang rabbit ding.
Hamang rabbit pura de.
Tudan kayo.
Lain siya color, no?
Nice like color. Like sugar glider.
Ah, man ang python.
Yes.
Ano nga dito ya?
Archery of yourself.
Ah.
Hello guys. Shout out. Vlogger ka ba?
Siya.
Yeah. Joke lang ta mama.
No problem. Do not touch, do not approach the animals.
Dito pa sa python din.
Thank you na lang. Ano ito? Dapat itong kapronyo guys. Isa na? Dada to no?
Katong kapronyo, lahi man daw to ya.
Alahe?
Mm.
Ito ko niya.
Muna tinuod yun na siya nga ano.
Oh. Butang na na silang pandig.
Di ko ay. Hala ka dira.
Ikaw okay? Dili ka? Ikaw pa? Ano? Birthday man mo. Ito yung butang na uli.
Pwede na mo mag-group kumain. Picture lang, dali lang sa ano. Dali lang po, picture lang. Tabihan mo lang. Group mo, tabi. Uy, dali lang. Siya.
Hello. Burmese ka po na. Golden child yung breed.
No, nice good siya mag rainbow. Hello my friend. Ay, di siya mak.
Chris, do you have yes? Dili.
Ay, you're so cute. Cutie. Hi.
10, 5 plus 5.
Mo jump din siya sa imo na mo. Lord. Dili lang ko. Padol pagamay. Gunitin na lang.
Dili na siya makahilo, miss. Dili siya makahilo. Yahang tail.
Ay, basket pa ang kuan sa imo. Sugar glider. Kung gunita na siya, idlas na siya. Pa-picture ka. Hello. Hi. What's your name? I'm a sugar glider. I'm Jessa. Jessa ni? Si Regina. Hello, Jessa. Hello.
Ano yung white?
Goro.
Ulo. Oram na gilam. Hagon unsa ni pa? Gidalampas ako dadto.
Lantana.
O kuan mo na.
Lantana daw.
Agunay.
Lantana na tawag.
Oo.
Lahi tong agunoy. Duki bidyuhi pud
Mo man yung baho og kuan ang agunoy.
Hi, we're here in Butterfly Sanctuary, Bohol. Ano nga Bohol?
Utot.
Bilar, ma'am. Bilar.
Bilar, Bohol.
Utot.
We're here in Bilar, Bohol. Butterfly
Lampaso na ba na dito?
Sanctuary.
Haet na.
Ani kay Ibon.
Dahil sila alam kalupian na dagan.
Dagan bitaw ni. Gusto mo gusto ni doon.
Tingnan lang so nagluto kay gulag.
Then nagkuan ko ni import. Bawal ang good mag-import dati sa Dubai o kuan. Ano man ma'am?
Kuan ra.
Natog.
Chocolate
Hills.
Hills.
Pintas pa kay ulan.
Ya, samtang napay hayag.
No, may baligya sa mga bulak-bulak sa handiman. Tubon.
Ali. Ali pa. Kaya na mag-picture lang yan. Ali, ito rin kayo lang. Dagang mag-picture na yung turista. Ah. Oh, this is a stairway to the Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills. Oh. Yalla.
Judge Doki yung kayo. Judge Doki.
Ahaman. Okay. Naka-video gyapon niya. Okay. Mukoy na. Okay na kada ya? Let's go, Heidi. Ako dek rocks ito. All right. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Vietnamese fried rice, mas onion, cheddar, and paste, pancit bambi, roasted Greek vegetables, gochujang, what's gochujang, chicken, roast pork, rice, like that. Pork wonton. Nagitig serve bread. Ako yan. Dessert. Mongolian. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Guys pa. Okay, here at Henan. Guys pa. Ito na rin. Sige din. Push. Push. Init kayo. Cantik ka din. YouTube channel. Tapos ay buko-buko. Wapo ng dagat diri. Ano man? Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Thank you for watching. Please click like, share, and subscribe. Till next time.